My child, I want to start by asking you to imagine something extraordinary. Close your eyes and picture a sunrise, a brand new day dawning, a fresh new canvas waiting to be painted with your dreams. This, my friends, is the magic of mornings. And today, I'm going to reveal the secret to harnessing this magic for your success. It's about doing something powerful every morning, and it all begins with your first conscious breath. But before we dive into this life-changing ritual, I want to hear from you. Comment down below and share with me your morning routines or any positive habits that set the tone for your day. Your insights and experiences can inspire others, so don't hesitate to engage in the discussion. Now, let's unlock the transformative power of your mornings. You see, the way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. It's the foundation upon which you build your success, and the first step is this: practice gratitude. Begin your day by acknowledging the blessings in your life, both big and small. Feel the warmth of gratitude wash over you as you reflect on the gift of a new day, the love of family and friends, and the opportunities that lie ahead. Next, set clear intentions. Before you get swept away by the demands of the day, take a moment to define what you want to achieve. What are your goals? What are your priorities? By setting intentions, you're charting a course for success. Embrace mindfulness. In a world that moves at lightning speed, take a breath and ground yourself in the present moment. Whether through meditation, deep breathing, or simply savoring your morning coffee, mindfulness prepares you to face the day with clarity and calm. And here's a powerful one: practice self-care. Your well-being is the engine that drives your success. Nourish your body with a healthy breakfast, engage in physical activity, or indulge in a hobby you love. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. In conclusion, success isn't just about achieving your goals. It's also about the journey and the mindset you carry along the way. By embracing gratitude, setting intentions, practicing mindfulness, and prioritizing self-care every morning, you're not only setting the stage for success but also nurturing a fulfilling life. Now, I want you to take a moment to reflect on your mornings. Are there any positive habits you'd like to add to your routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to create a morning ritual that propels us towards success. Remember, each morning is a fresh opportunity to write your own success story, and it all starts with that first conscious breath. Click here now to watch more and unlock the boundless wisdom of the champions. Wake up!